Welcome to Auto Paradise. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting cruiser motorcycles of the year, the 2025 Honda Rebel 500. A bike that blends classic styling with modern performance, the Rebel 500 has built a reputation as an approachable yet thrilling ride for both beginners and experienced riders. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what makes the latest model stand out, from its design and performance to features and overall ride experience. Honda has always been known for its reliability and innovation, and the 2025 Rebel 500 is no exception. The Rebel series has been a game changer in the cruiser segment, offering a balance of style, power, and comfort at an affordable price. With this new model, Honda continues to refine its formula, making the Rebel 500 an even more attractive option for riders looking for a lightweight yet capable cruiser. At first glance, the 2025 Rebel 500 keeps its signature minimalist and aggressive look. The low stance, chopped fenders, and blacked-out components give it a custom bobber-inspired appearance straight from the factory. It retains its signature round LED headlight and compact frame, but Honda has made a few subtle refinements to enhance its overall aesthetics. A new color lineup is available this year, giving riders more ways to personalize their ride. When it comes to performance, the Rebel 500 is powered by a 471cc parallel twin engine, the same tried-and-true motor found in previous models. With its liquid cooling and fuel injection, this engine delivers smooth, reliable power that's perfect for city cruising and highway rides alike. It produces around 45 horsepower and 32 pound-feet of torque, which is plenty for riders who want a balance of power and efficiency. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, allowing for seamless gear shifts and a relaxed riding experience at higher speeds. One of the best things about the Rebel 500 is its rider-friendly ergonomics. With a seat height of just 27.2 inches, it's one of the lowest bikes in its class, making it incredibly accessible for shorter riders. The mid-mounted footpegs and slightly pulled-back handlebars provide a relaxed riding position that doesn't feel too stretched out or cramped. Honda has also tweaked the seat cushioning for improved comfort on longer rides, which is a welcome upgrade for those who like to go the extra mile. The suspension and handling have been fine-tuned as well. The front features 41mm telescopic forks, while the rear comes with dual shock absorbers that now offer better damping for a smoother ride. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking on winding roads, the Rebel 500 remains nimble and easy to handle. The bike weighs around 408 pounds, making it manageable for newer riders while still having enough heft to feel stable at higher speeds. Braking performance is another strong point. The 2025 model features a single 296mm disc up front and a 240mm disc at the rear, both equipped with ABS as standard. This ensures confident braking in all conditions, whether you're commuting in wet weather or making quick stops in traffic. The Rebel 500's braking setup provides a controlled and responsive feel, which is crucial for riders of all skill levels. Technology and features have also been improved in this year's model. The Rebel 500 now comes with an updated LCD instrument cluster, which displays essential information more clearly, even in bright sunlight. The bike retains its full LED lighting system, which not only adds to its modern appeal but also improves visibility on the road. Additionally, Honda has refined the assist and slipper clutch, making clutch lever operation lighter and reducing wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. One of the key reasons riders love the Rebel 500 is its customization potential. Honda understands that riders want to make their bikes unique, and the Rebel 500 serves as a perfect canvas for modifications. From aftermarket exhausts and handlebars to luggage options and seat upgrades, there are endless ways to personalize this bike. Honda even offers a range of official accessories, including passenger seat kits, saddlebags, and different handlebar styles, allowing owners to tweak the bike to fit their riding style. For those considering the Rebel 500 as their first bike, it's an excellent choice. It offers enough power to keep things exciting without being intimidating. The smooth power delivery, lightweight chassis, and comfortable seating make it one of the best entry-level cruisers on the market. Experienced riders will also appreciate its versatility and customization potential, making it a bike that can grow with you as you gain more confidence on the road. Fuel efficiency is another strong selling point. The Rebel 500 offers an estimated 65 miles per gallon, meaning you can get plenty of miles out of a single tank. Whether you're using it for daily commuting or weekend rides, the fuel economy makes it a practical option that won't break the bank. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 remains competitively priced in the middleweight cruiser segment. While official pricing may vary depending on location and optional add-ons, Honda has kept the Rebel 500 affordable for riders looking for a stylish, capable, and dependable cruiser. Overall, the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 continues to be one of the best choices for riders who want a mix of style, performance, and comfort. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first cruiser or an experienced rider searching for a fun and customizable bike, the Rebel 500 checks all the boxes. Honda has managed to refine an already great formula, keeping the Rebel 500 at the top of its class. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Paradise for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Rebel 500 and if you'd consider adding one to your garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.